So in this video we are going to go through the process of expenses, doing expenses for your projects. So first I'm going to go on home, so just click on QuickBooks there. So we want to go to our projects. You can scroll down and click on projects, or you can go on search here and search for project. So you just type project. So you search here when it's not here in these bookmarks. However, you can also add these bookmarks. So I click on projects. So the reason why I'm using that search is that it doesn't come by default, right? So here we can see our projects. We have got a rearing there, goats rearing. So I click on goats rearing. So under goats rearing, we can see we've got expenses and we've got bills. So bills and expenses are almost the same. When we are using expenses, it means we are going to do the transaction in cash. When we are going to use bill, it means we first get the service from the supplier and then payment is done later. So we want to follow this method of using bills instead of expenses, assuming that most of our expenses, first the supplier have to bill us, then we pay. So I'm going to click on bill here, and then under bill we need to select the supplier. So our supplier is going to be let me put Uber Tax. Uber Tax. Maybe we hired the Uber Tax. So the system is now prompting us to add Uber in the system. So you can just click on save if you don't want to add any more details about Uber. And the billing date, we are going to leave it like that. And then category, we are going to select the product that you want to bill. I'm going to select transport. Yeah, so transport is already there. So transport, and then we have been billed $10, and then project here, make sure that it's showing here, and then after that you can click on save. This one, just click save, right? So if you want to do payments, you can click on make payment there, and then here we select the bank account that we are doing payment from. So we are going to do payment from CBZ, so I click on CBZ, and our amount is going to be $10, and then you click on save and close. So that's it, we have done our payment. So that's how we capture all our expenses in our project. Let me do it again. So first you can click on all projects so that you view all the projects that are currently running, and then here I click on goats, and then here I go on transactions, and then under transactions I click on bills. I entered the name of the supplier that I'm dealing with, so I'm going to select Uber again, and then here I'm going to put transport again, and then the amount that I'm going to put is going to be $6, and then you click on save. So this time I didn't put payment here. I just want to put save and close. So I've done the expense, and then we didn't pay it. So we want to now pay this. Maybe you want to pay it later. So I go to home. So under home, if you want to do a payment, you can just click on pay bill here, and then under pay bill you can see there are other bills that are showing here that have not been paid. Ours is not showing here. All right, okay, so let us just pay this bill, Zesa, and we need to pay $8. So here you enter $8 and make sure that here the correct bank is selected that is doing the payment, and then you click on save and send. Save and send is you would be wanting to send it via email. So in this case we didn't set up any email, so I'm not going to send it via email. So let me just close that. So that's it for doing payments.